Hello, I'm Elena. Cooking is one of my passions. My grandfather worked in the food industry and directed a restaurant. So I learned a lot from my family. I inherited multicultural, traditional, ancestral skills, and we pass on these skills from generation to generation. Learned a lot by studying, traveling and reading. In my new class, I'll teach you how to make cheese at home. I'll show you all the steps of this process, from choosing the milk and equipment to using whey and even making rennet. The obtained soft cheese can be aged, and you'll be able to try other recipes then if you want to. I live in France, where we have the biggest variety of cheese in the world. Charles de Gaulle even said once, how can you govern a country which has 246 varieties of cheese? And this number is constantly growing. But any cheese can't replace in my heart the taste of Ossetian cheese, a simple ancestral recipe from the south of Russia. It is used to make delicious Ossetian pies, unique by their preparation process and their taste. In this class, I'll show you a traditional and a modern way of making this cheese at home. So, if you want to go further, let's get started.